Corbin and Biggie, the Big Mad Morning Show.
Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies.
3, 2, 1.
Chirp.
Chirp. Chirp.
Oh! Oh, right in her mouth!
And it looks like it got her on her eye, the edge of her nose.
Did she keep it in?
It's in her mouth.
Show the camera.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
That is fantastic.
Josh, you got
Oh my goodness, I got good aim.
beautiful aim. Was it warm, Beef?
It was. It was warm.
Oh my god. I'm gonna use what Beans brought us this morning, and it's potatoes and is it called chorizo? Chorizo, and it's like in a tortilla shell, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna chew up for Cinco de Mayo.
All right. So
Chirp, bird, chirp.
So it's spicy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Start chirping while he is chewing it up. Go ahead, start chirping.
Chirp, chirp.
And so
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Biggie's
chirp.
chewing it up. He's gonna get it nice and.
Chirp.
You ready? Here we go, Beef. Countdown.
Chirp in Spanish. Like la chirp.
Let's
El chirp.
El chirp.
El chirp. El chirp.
Countdown.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
And he's
Pull your head back.
He's leaning. He's spilting. He's gonna try and get it in her mouth. And
Oh!
man, that is disgusting.
It almost went right in her mouth.
It went down my shirt.
Nice!
It's all brown and
I can see it. I can
clumpy
see
and-
it from here, right down her shirt.
It's all brown and clumpy, and it's just disgusting.
Hey, Corbin.
Yeah.
She's wearing a black lace bra, by the way.
Thank you.
Show the camera. Corbin has goldfish, marshmallows. Chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
head back.
3. Ew,
She
don't show me.
just showed. Corbin just showed her exactly what he was spitting into.
This is
her
the
mouth.
first time Corbin's ever been quiet.
3,
Chirp, baby
2,
bird.
1.
Chirp.
Chirp.
Oh, here it goes. Here it
Wait
goes.
for it.
Oh, God! Bless America!
You got it from her face all the way down her back.
It went on her shoulder, on her hair, on her back, on the.
I think she might puke.
On her tramp stamp and her back, on the back.
She's gonna puke. She's in convulsions right now.
She moved. She moved.
Right away.
And as it started falling, because I did it really, really slow.
You hit her right in the mouth though. You got it.
Did it
I
hit her
s-
all
I
the way in the
saw
back of
that.
her mouth?
I saw it hit her tongue.
It looks like
It
somebody
did.
vomited on your head.
I gotta tell you, the combination of marshmallows and goldfish isn't that bad.
It smells okay.
That's not bad, is it?
No.
I thought it would be bad, but it's not at all.
Yeah, it's all on your shoulder.
Actually, I hate
everywhere.
it. I wish
It's
I could
everywhere.
spit this out.
Oh, would you like to spit it out? Is it gross?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you can spit it out. All right, here we go. Countdown,
I can
Beef.
smell all of it too.
Countdown, Beef.
What's it smell like?
Chirp, baby bird, chirp.
Countdown.
3, 2.
Keep your eyes open.
No. 1. Chirp.
Wait.
Stay there. Stay
Don't
there.
move. Don't move.
Don't.
Oh!
gosh.
Bullseye.
All of it went in her mouth. Booyah! All right, we'll take a break. We'll be back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
I didn't vomit. Oh my god.
She's so proud. She's so proud. I didn't vomit.
Feed the birds, tuppence a bag.